thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 10 miles south of Great Salt Lake, south of the Causeway to near to El Army Depot, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Murray, Bountiful, Tooele, Granteville, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Draper, Riverton, Cottonwood Heights, Midvale, South Salt Lake, Harriman, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Woods Cross, and Stansbury Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 286 and 319. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 86 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis, Salt Lake, and Tooele.